Yeah, kia ora. It's a chili or makariri Wednesday night here in Christchurch, and I had an idea. Which stove can boil a Svea 123 cup of water fastest in my collection? So I thought I'd do two at a time, and so this is part one, and so tonight I'm testing two stoves. Yeah, this one needs no introduction. We all know the Svea 123, the world's first ultralight backpacking stove. Yeah, comes with its own billy. Made a handle for it tonight, so that's all good. But stove number two is a relatively unknown contender. I lit it for the first time last night, and it is the Camper's Handy Stove, made in Japan. Has no heat regulation, just has the wee coil, and away it goes. I did its first test burn yesterday. So enough talking from me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to light the Svea. I'm going to fill the cup up. I put some little dots here. I'm going to fill the cup up to here with tap water and time how long it takes to boil. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to extinguish the Svea, light this little beast, get that up to heat, repeat the experiment. The stove that is fastest gets to go through to the next night's test. Preheating the Svea with meths. Of course, forgot to open it, to let it open up to room temperature, bring it back down again, nice and tight. Come back once it's finished pre-burning. Let that heat up for another minute or so. While the Svea is heating up, I'll fill up the beaker. Stopwatch is set up. And recording. We'll come back once it's getting close to a boil to get the time. 1 minute 45, getting a good number of bubbles there. Getting close to a rolling boil there. We'll cool it. 2 minutes 40, rolling boil. Love the colours these things put off, that cherry glow. It's fantastic. Now this wee guy's a bit unique. I'll light it for you. After a moment or two, she'll start burning with a fair flame. Now I've never boiled anything on this thing, so this is going to be interesting. It's completely different raw to the Svea. There's no regulation with this one at all, so I'm keeping a close eye on it tonight. Got bubbles forming. It's going to be close. Got to see what that looks like with the lights on. Ooh. See something else. Must be a slight breeze blowing the flame that way to move everything away from there. 2 minutes 20. We can call that a rolling boil. 2 minutes 45. It might just be deflection from the heat shield that I'm on. Look at that. Look at that. What a unique flame. Well, that was close. But Svea had it by a whisker. Stoves to test next time. Svea versus the Optimus 8R or Svea versus the Optimus 99. You tell me what one. I know they're similar, but there is some differences, subtle differences. So you tell me what one, and we'll make it happen. So that's in the comments. I'll give it 5 days. So you tell me in the comments what one you want, and we'll see if we can make this a thing. Let's see what the ultimate stove is in my collection. I'm as curious as you are. Anyway, thanks for watching. As always, I respond to every comment. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, subscribe, or even just put a comment on and tell me where to go with my stoves. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ka kite. We'll see you next time. Bye.